It's the Wicker Park 24-inch faux lavender and lamb's ear wreath. It's on clearance for $27.99, so you're saving $20. And it's just that perfect, gorgeous springtime wreath that there's so many uses for this. You can use this for indoor, outdoor decor, and the price is unbelievable. $27.99. You can get this home on Easy Pay for $9.33. That is item number M93968. I love how earlier Rachel was here showing us how you can make this into a centerpiece. You can make this into like, put some candles inside of it, hang it outside on your door. It's just that gorgeous, perfect spring decor, and it looks so real. It is so well done. I want to take a close look at the lavender. It's just done in multiple shades of purple to just give it that realistic look. The leaves are nice and thick, and they're fuzzy. They have that texture. They feel like velvet. They feel like a lamb's ear. Absolutely stunning. The back is done in this waterproof rattan. So it has a great quality on the back as well. And where is that little hook? I'm about to find it. Here it is. This is how you hang it up with this hook. But as Rachel showed us earlier, how great does this look as a centerpiece with a lantern or a candle inside? I think it looks absolutely stunning. This is the lantern that we showed you earlier, the ceramic hand-painted solar lantern that has, it looks like actually lavender painted up here, kind of. And it looks really, really good as just a centerpiece. So again, the clearance price is $27.99. The original price is $48, so you're saving $20. It's approximately 24 inches, perfect for indoor and outdoor use, and it's from Wicker Park. They are known for making their incredible faux but so realistic looking florals and wreaths. This is the lavender and lamb's ear wreath. I think it's stunning. I think it's beautiful. We have a final 120 to go around at this awesome clearance price of $27.99. 40% off that original price of $48. Look at how gorgeous it looks inside as a centerpiece. It looks beautiful outside as a centerpiece. Put a planter in it, put a lantern in it, candles in it. The uses are endless. And a really cool thing that Rachel said she does, which I have never seen before, she said she hangs the wreath upside down with zip ties from her chandelier. So imagine you're looking up at your chandelier and this is what you see. Really, really gorgeous, so creative, so many uses. So don't miss out if you want this because it's on clearance. It's not gonna come back. No reorders, and we're getting very limited. It's $27.99. That is item number M93968. It's a Wicker Park 24-inch faux lavender and lamb's ear wreath.